Let's kick it off with some sweets. It may sound what the heck she's doing, but my sweet tooth wake up and decided to have this for breakfast. Believe it or not, having dessert for breakfast can actually help you lose weight. Researchers and studies have said that, not me, so don't come after me. Just Google it. Anyway, this is Miss Gorgeous Collage. It's a Middle Eastern dessert filled with cheese, custard, but these are limited edition Nutella version. I think I can kill people for these because they're really good. This is a Syrian dessert called halawat al-jibn, and as the name suggests, it's very hulwa in and out. It's a cheese dough, I guess, filled with a kind of magical cream. One piece will never be satisfying, so that's why I've got 4.
Miss, come on. Yeah. Is this a piano?
Yeah. It's there is
So cute. Why is that? So nice. I do have a message for you.
now we are
Today, Level 9 group surprised me with a lovely gift. I've always appreciated the small and big gestures students make, especially if they decided to spend their time and money on me. Inside this cute mug, they wrote me heartwarming messages. I don't know, for some reason, some students make me love myself more. They motivate me to keep doing what I'm doing, although I feel teaching is not for me. And these messages were just in the right time. I needed to hear this or to read this. I'm halfway through the messages and my heart is melting already. Sheva from the same group gave me this mug too. It was my first 3-dimensional mug. She made it herself and I'm so proud of her and I'm so happy with it. Rama came to me with this piece of art and was like, "Miss, I know you love anime and I thought of drawing this for you." It meant the world to me. I love when students share their arts with me. She's very talented and I've fallen in love with it.
Zaina, if you're watching, I don't want you to get upset. I'm gonna share a quilting piece in one of my coming videos because, you know,
I still haven't fixed my camera.
That was a very joyful day. I started it with something sweet and it ended with something sweeter. I'm very grateful. Thank you, Level 9 again. And thank you guys for sharing your time with me.